Hello everyone, welcome to Zulu Kids TV. Today we're going to read I Am So 3. Look at Everything I Can Do by Sandrina and John Kurtz. I can say, nice to meet you, and happy birthday with a card. I can blow bubbles and learn to swim. I can sweep the patio and wash the car. I can draw pictures and make paintings. I can brush my dog and feed my cat. I can look at books and play in sprinklers. I can ride a pedal car and balance on one foot. I can put my own socks on and pour drinks. I can help in the kitchen and set the table. I can act in a play and sing songs. I can play hide and seek and toss a ball. I can plant flowers and water them. I can bowl and climb up a hill. I can sculpt with Play-Doh and do a puzzle. With music and my drum, I'm happy as can be. I can do all these things because I am so 3. The end. Thank you for watching. Did you like the story? If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Bye!